beautiful friends, it's Amanda here. It's been a while since I did a 5 product face video, and 5 product face is a minimal makeup series that I started here on my channel for a few reasons, mostly to showcase products that just are really stand out, really high quality, and usually great multitasking products. And I also really just want to bring into the beauty YouTube space a sort of normalization of wearing more minimal makeup. A lot of the beauty channels that you see and tutorials that you see are just super artistry driven, often very bold makeup looks, and I love that. I love that we get to experience that and see the theatricality and the skill that these beautiful looks really entail. But I don't know if you're like me, that may not be what you're looking for all the time or maybe ever. So I do like to kind of bring the other side of that coin here to my channel sometimes. Look, I love shimmer, metallic, bright colors. Purple is my favorite eyeshadow color, but you can definitely be a makeup lover and a beauty lover and wear only 5 products on your face too. So that's what we're going to do today. For an added challenge or kind of a twist on this 5 product face idea, I wanted to choose all of my products. All 5 products that are going on my face today are going to be under the $10 price tag, at least US dollars. I'm sorry to my international friends, I know things are way more expensive for you. Before we get started, I do use a couple of tools, brushes. I'll use an eyelash curler, a sponge, and I don't count those towards my 5 products, otherwise we wouldn't really be getting a lot onto this face. So it's five makeup products. Okay, you've heard enough. Let's just put stuff on my face. I'm starting off with this e.l.f. concealer. I'm actually using the sponge that was kind of marketed with this concealer. I think I like the sponge a little bit more than I like the concealer, but both are good. This is the Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm using the shade Fair Beige. There's never been a better description for my shade, honestly. Just hitting a couple of key areas with a few dots of this concealer really goes a long way. And if I'm just wearing a concealer and it's like this one is like a brightening shade, I don't put it all over my face even if I'm just wearing the concealer. I kind of concentrate it in those highlight areas and then sort of blend outwards. Hopefully that makes sense. I have learned that I cannot carry on a conversation while I'm blending. This is why you will often hear me voicing over, and there's also not a lot to say because I'm literally just blending it in. I don't know why I can't just say that while I'm blending it. You know, I've been out in the garden, I've got a little bit of sun on my face even with sunscreen, so I realized that this concealer has me looking a little bit washed out, but not for long because our next product is a bronzer. You can tell from the fact that the label is completely missing that I really love this bronzer. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer in the shade Sunset Striptease. And I'm just really gonna warm up the face, especially since I'm not going to be wearing any blush. But I just want a really sun-kissed bronzy look, and this bronzer does have a little bit of shimmer to it, so it's a great formula to wear kind of all over the cheeks as your all over cheek color, since it does have a little bit of shine. It's not super matte. It's gonna really add some life back into those cheeks, which I clearly need. And I'm not being shy, I'm kind of piling it on. Do a little bit down onto the neck that you can't really see, but kind of helps everything look cohesive. I'm also going to put a little bit of that bronzer on my eyelids too. This is a trick I use a lot when I'm either in a rush or traveling or just not wanting to put too much effort into my eye makeup. I'll just take a little bit of my bronzer on a big fluffy brush and just sort of slap it all over the lids and up into the crease. It just adds a little bit of warmth and a little bit of dimension to the eyes. And then once we put mascara on, really pulls it together. These quick little 5 product face looks are not really about being perfect and being precise. It's partially about the challenge, you know, how much can I do with 5 products? What are my most standout products that can really carry off a look on their own. And you know, it's just fun. Try something different. Why not? Next, I want to add a little color to the lips. I'm using this tinted lip treatment from Physicians Formula. This shade is called Tickled Pink. I really like this formula, of course, because it's really comfy. It adds a little color to a really minimal face look like this, but it doesn't look really out of place since it is that soft tinted lip treatment kind of vibe. For brows, I'm going to use my ColourPop brow gel. This is the Brow Boss gel. I use the shade Dark Brown. This is almost a dupe for my Glossier Boy Brow. I still prefer my Boy Brow just a bit over this, but this is pretty darn good. And I mean, the fact is it's $7. You can't really argue with the price point. I have very thick, full brows, obviously, so I do need some gel to put them in place, but I like using the tinted gel because it does help fill them in just a little bit. It still has a really natural look to it, so it blends in super well with a look like this. I imagine that if I had really drawn in, really structured brows and then a super pared down face like this, it might be a little distracting. But if that's what you're into, you know what? I'm not here to judge you. Now, wish me luck, because I'm going to be testing a mascara that I have never used before. Hopefully this doesn't go terribly wrong and ruin my entire face. But if it does, I guess I don't really have that much to wash off. This is from Essence Makeup. It's their Bye Bye Panda Eyes mascara, and this is only $4.99 at Ulta. I've been a big fan of Essence mascaras in the past. I love their Lash Princess mascara, so I'm hoping that this one will be just as good. Give the lashes a little curl first. Okay, I'm gonna put one eye on and then we'll see what they look like side by side. Okay, so that's one coat. Let's see how they look. It does seem very, very, very natural, wispy, natural looking lashes. I think this is the kind of mascara that probably just needs 2 coats to really have a dramatic difference. So this is the eye that has the mascara. I think it looks good. I mean, it doesn't look clumpy, it's not flaky or chunky or anything gross like that. So I'm going to finish up my mascara. I'll do 2 coats on both eyes and we'll see how it does once it's layered up. So I finished up my lashes. I did 2 coats. And I think it looks really nice. It's definitely making my lashes look really wispy and really natural, so they're not stuck together. This isn't a super wet, super sticky formula. I think my lashes look great. They look really separated, really lifted. Even with putting 2 coats on, I don't feel like it pulled my curl down. So mini review, happy with this mascara. And that's it. That is my 5 product face using all products that are under $10. I'm really happy with how all of these products performed. I'm happy with how my look turned out. It's not crazy artistry, it's not technique driven, it's not Instagram worthy maybe, but this is the kind of look that I would like to wear day to day if I just want, you know, to feel a little freshened up. Not gonna lie, not doing much leaving the house these days, but if I was, this is the kind of quick, easy makeup look that I like to wear just to feel a little bit more polished. I still feel like I look like myself. You can still see my skin, and this is also the kind of look that I could do really easily over some SPF, especially in the summer months, but anytime I'm going outside, even if I'm just going to be in the car, I like to wear SPF, and this is a light, quick little makeup that I can easily wear on top of some great face sunscreen. I would love to hear what your go-to quick, easy, really affordable products are. Have you tried any of the things that I used in this video? Are you wanting to try them now after watching this video? I always love to hear what you guys think about things too, so leave all your thoughts down in the comments below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Huh? Already, first 20 seconds already messed up. It's good. Good start. Let me zoom in a little bit. Can you hear every footstep? This is what life's gonna be like now. Quarantine life. Shh. It's like a joke at this point. Honestly, almost concealed my hair. When, what? Before I, don't leave my house. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm fine. But I still feel comfortable. I still feel like, what? Dang it, I did it again. I literally just got these earrings in the mail. These are more by Mel Klein earrings. I was just talking about her glitter stars in my favorites video not too long ago, and she came out with these really cute tie-dye stars. I love them. I want all the colors now. That's another way to make yourself look fancy without doing super cool, crazy makeup, is just put on some fun earrings. I should do a makeup look inspired by these earrings. Wouldn't that be fun? Video idea. Okay, I got a lot of other stuff to do, so I'm gonna go do that stuff. I hope you have an amazing day. I love your face. Please wash your hands, stay home, wear your mask when you're in public, and I love your face. That's all. Bye.